Hello everyone, Will from Overkill Motorsport here with my 2013 Cadillac ATS, and I want to explain opening up the airbox and allowing more airflow into the factory airbox, which is what I recommend for most vehicles who aren't going to go any further than to do an air intake and maybe a computer tune. The factory air system is not bad at all, but what it needs is more airflow into the factory airbox. So I've got it loosely mounted here. I'm just going to pull it out. And you can see in the front here, this is the only air inlet into the air filter right now. So the air has to come in here, go into the filter, get filtered, and then come through here to the engine. However, if you move the airbox out of the way, you can see the very large access to fresh air. It's trying to draw it in from through here, but there's all kinds of access here down into the fender well. This is the inner wheel well lining right here. And if you make a hole in the bottom of your air filter box to let more air in, it's going to suck that cold air from down there. Now, I've just used, very crudely, but just to show that it can be done, I just grabbed a wood spade bit. This is 7/8, and you'll see this referred to as Swiss cheese in the airbox. It's exactly what it looks like, exactly what I did. I've drilled a number of holes to let more air through the bottom there, and you can see the bottom of the air filter now. And that all that air, this panel right here, let me again take note of the orientation. That is going to suck air. That's contoured against that liner there. It's perfect. It's exactly what you need. If you have the tool, or you can go and buy the tool, I suggest a 4-inch hole saw. Attach it to your drill, go right in the middle here and make a 4-inch hole, and that's it. Put the air filter box back in its place. You can put in a high flow filter like a K&N if you wish to do so, but at the very least run a nice clean air filter that'll flow more air. Put the box back in place, put your tubing back in place, and you're done. If you're very handy, this is a quote-unquote free mod, and it'll give excellent results even compared to a cold air intake system.